Hi, welcome to Xiao's Kitchen. I'm Xiao Wei. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet and spicy chicken. For this dish, I'm using 8 chicken drumsticks, 2 tablespoons of clear honey, 1 spring onions, 4 cloves of garlic, and 4 slices of ginger, 1 teaspoon of red peppercorn, 7 dried red chillies, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Cut off the end of each drumsticks. Then cut each drumstick into 2 equal-sized pieces. Place them onto a dish for when cooking. Peel and chop the garlic, chop the ginger, and chop the spring onions. Now I'm ready to start the cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in the wok. Add the red chillies and peppercorn. Fry for a few seconds. Add the ginger, garlic, and half of the spring onions. Fry for a few seconds. Add the chicken pieces into the wok. Fry till meat has turned white. Pour the soy sauce over the chicken. Stir in for an even coverage and fry for a minute. Place the lid on the wok and reduce the heat to low. Cook this for a further 25 to 30 minutes till the meat is cooked. Stir often during this process and place the lid back to the wok afterwards. Turn the heat to high. Add salt to your taste. Add the honey onto the chicken. Stir and fry for a minute. Place the chicken onto a dish. Garnish with the remaining spring onions and serve.